Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to locate the windshield washer fluid port under the car hood, and this will be a very simple tutorial. So it'll just be a straightforward tutorial. So basically, as you can see right here, this is under my car hood of my vehicle, and essentially I'm going to show you how to look at the windshield washer fluid port. Now, I can't say that this will work with every vehicle, but I will say that every vehicle that I've owned so far has had the same process for locating, the port or the sort of funnel where you refill the windshield washer fluid. And that's actually what I'm doing right now. I'm in a parking lot. I'm going to refill some windshield washer fluid, and I figured that I'd make a video showing you how to find that port. So basically, here is the engine bay. What you want to do is open up the car. And once you open up the hood and you're sort of under the hood, essentially you're going to be able to see all of the things that make the car run, depending on what vehicle you're driving. But basically, when you're under the car hood, what you're going to do is you're going to take a look around. And from my experience, you always should be looking for this blue lid. Now, like I said, I can't say that that's going to be the case all the time. Okay, but there's a few indicators that tell you that it is the windshield washer refilling port. Okay, so the first one that I see is the blue lid. Okay, and the second one is the symbol. You can see it shows like the windshield washer fluids being sprayed. That's the symbol. Okay, so those are the indicators that I look for that allow me to know that it's the windshield washer fluid refilling port. And yeah, that's what I look for. So on some cars it might be over here. I think with my cars they've sort of been everywhere. But basically, you're going to be looking for a few indicators. Like I said, firstly is the blue lid, and secondly is the sort of logo of like spraying of the windshield washer fluid that you see over there. And when you see those things, you know that is likely going to be the windshield washer fluid refilling port. Now, you should always consult your owner's manual of your vehicle, because, like I said, cars are different. So just because that's where it is and that's what it looks like, it doesn't mean that's what it's going to look like and that's going to be the location on your car. So always look at your owner's manual. But if you just want a good idea, this video is designed to help you get a general idea. But always consult your owner's manual to make sure you know exactly what you're doing, because you want to make sure that you are refilling your windshield washer fluid in the correct space. So make sure, obviously, that you are consulting your owner's manual and ensuring that you know for a fact that you are doing it in the correct space. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep this short, sweet, straight to the point. It's quite cold outside, so I tried to not blab on. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial. And yeah, I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro for this video. So without further ado, here's the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.